Welcome to the Young's Academy channel. Please subscribe, share, comment, and watch till the end.
Alright, in this video, I will quickly show you how to download YouTube video to your gallery. So first of all, I will quickly take you to how you can actually copy the video link you want to download. Right, when you open your YouTube, you click on the video. So here, I won't be playing. So here is the video. So what you do is you will see the share icon here by the right hand side. You will see this icon here. See the share icon. This share icon here. You click on it. When you click on it, it will bring it like this. So it's either you copy it directly or you share it to your personal WhatsApp. There you will be able to what? You'll be able to copy it. But here I will copy it directly from here. I'll click on copy, then copy it to clipboard. So the next step is that I will go back to my Google Chrome. I'll go back to my Google Chrome. So here I will load the website. So I normally use two websites to download YouTube videos. So the first one is Y2Mate video downloader. So once you load it, it will open up like this. Okay, here you click on Y2Mate downloader. It will bring the website for you like this. So the next thing you do is here you see search or paste link. You paste the link here. Yes, that is the link we just copied from YouTube. Now you see the video that we copied the link is showing here. Mind you, here you can download the audio and you can also download the video. You can see the audio icon here and you can also see the video icon here. So it's either you download the audio of that particular video or you download the video and the audio together. So here you move it to video. You see it's on audio. You move it to video. Yes, since it's video you want to download. So I don't want to download this video, but the next thing you do is just click on one of this link. Click on one and then your video will start downloading. So the second website is VidSave video downloader. So here the website will load. You see the first one here, VidSave. You click on it, it will take you directly to what? To the website. Just the same with Y2Mate. Here you click on enter URL or search, then you paste the link you copied from YouTube. It will load and then it will bring out the video for you to download. You see, here are the options you have to download. But I will always advise you not to click on this first one. Always click on either the second, the third, or the fourth. So I don't want to download it. I didn't mean I want to download it. I'll just click on download direct. So when you scroll down, you also see music. That is the audio. Yes, audio. Only the audio. If you want to download only the audio. So that is how to simply download video to your gallery. So if you need a particular voice from a particular video, you can also come here, download the audio, then use your audio editor to crop the audio or to crop out the voice you actually need for your video editing. So that is how simple it is to what? To download YouTube video to your gallery. So please subscribe to the channel so that when we drop any update, you will also be part of it. And please don't forget to share this video to others so that they will also benefit from it. Thank you.